hours to Nnamdi Kanu's appearance in court, his lawyer did this interesting thing. This will shock you. My dear listeners, I greet you all. It's yet another special day on this very platform. We want to first of all appreciate your patience and your ideas that you have been sharing, your comments, your messages, and your mails. I would say they have been awesome. Thank you so much. Um, Nnamdi Kanu's hearing all to have been had on Monday, this past Monday, but he didn't appear in court. I'm telling you that that is non-appearance is really causing a very serious hit in Abuja, in fact, in Nigeria at large. But there is this thing Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer did that was so shocking. You yourself, you'll be surprised at it. Early that very morning, as early as 6 o'clock a.m., we discovered a notice on the appeal court gate. You know, saying that no one should should come into the court until the arrival of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Until the arrival of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will not believe this. People were so concerned. The fear was so much. A lot of people could not even go close to the gate. Even the lawyers, the judges that supposed to give the hearing were also denied of entrance, but later entered. You understand? So a lot of tension came up that very day. But Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Ejiofor, who appeared but is aware of Nnamdi Kanu not coming, but he appeared for a purpose. And I tell you, what he did was was so shocking. You will not believe this. Let's quickly check the content and know what really happened and what the interesting thing is actually all about. This is morning news. Amid Nnamdi Kanu's appearance in court, the Anthony of the IPOP leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has appeared in court despite knowing the fact that Nnamdi Kanu will not be in court on that day. It was discovered of a notice pasted in appeal court gates ordering no one to go into the court until Nnamdi Kanu is present. This has Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer read out to the public, even while he is even aware of Nnamdi Kanu's absence. Publicly, he read it out to those who actually are in attendance, making them to understand the gravity and the reasons why Nnamdi Kanu will not be in court. I tell you that this was actually made open even before the entrance of the judges. This was now made known by the judges who actually took over the hearing despite Nnamdi Kanu's absence. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer was even the one who made this open and stood on that very fact. Even without the presence of Nnamdi Kanu, the lawyer still spoke in defense and made it known to the public, to the judges, and to those who were present at the hearing, defending his client and making it a non void attendance. My people, you see, what I see in what Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer Ejiofor have just done was to make a caricature of the government. Yes, he made a caricature of that very hearing. You understand? Look at it. I haven't even known that Nnamdi Kanu will not be present in court, he still came. Yes, of course, he still came. He came to make a caricature of them. That is what I see. And that serves them right. It serves them right. It is good that he did what he did because they have really abused the IPOP leader. They have really abused him. So what I saw that Ejiofor did was a caricature. He made a caricature of the government of Buhari. He made a caricature of that day's hearing. He made a caricature of that day's trial. So that people will know that it is not only President Buhari who has authority to slam the law. He started it now. As an executive president, you should lead by example. This is what he does. Buhari always do in the Senate. The Senate will pass a bill. Buhari will change it. Will change the bill. It is nonsense. Who is Buhari to be interfering in issues that concern the law? It is wrong. It is wrong. He will make a demand, and he will still push in for it to be approved. It's supposed to be a decision in the Senate. They are supposed to be the one to sit and deliberate and discuss and see if this very demand from Mr. President is fit to be granted. But because of President Buhari, he will force it to be granted. It's nonsense. It is nonsense. So automatically, Buhari himself is the law in Nigeria. Automatically. Do you understand? And that is what we see. And that's why you see that Nigerian is still how it is till today, which is rubbish. All right, my people, let's hear you and let's know what your take and what your opinion on all that has just been revealed to us this very morning. All right, don't forget your comments. They are still very much welcomed and needed. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.